This is the unboxing video for a laminator I just received. It is 4-in-1. There's all kinds of really neat things. You're going to see it just as I'm seeing as it comes out of the box. We needed to make some laminated badges for our charity. And so I needed a good laminary, and this is what I chose. This is the instruction manual. It says right here, laminator, paper cutter, corner rounder, and laminating pouches. In it should have, and it does, the package content list. It has general warnings, and it has troubleshooting. It's a good manual. Okay, let's see what we've got in the box here. It's packaged really well. It appears to be sturdy and well made. Slide it right here like that. And you notice that in the box there are the laminating pouches. Different sizes. There is a large one. I can see a legal, a letter, and the smaller pouches. There's the different sizes right here. See? This is the ID size that we're going to be using the most of, and then legal and letter. Slide this off. And this is one of the reasons why I like this laminator, is it has a paper cutter built in. You just slide this over, and the paper cutter comes right up on the top of yours. It's so convenient, so handy. And that closes it so you can't accidentally open. On the back, it also has a corner cutter. See, it's one of those really easy ones. Just click it, and it's good to go. And it stores nicely right there, so everything's all together. Let's see what else we've got on here. There's on this end, you're going to see this is for cold and hot laminating, and on and off. So it's pretty self-explanatory. Nice cord to plug it in. Has everything you need. It should be quick and convenient. It looks like it's really well made, and I could barely wait to use it. And there is the instruction manual that goes with it.